Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make popsicle designs. First, gather your essential tools, including popsicle molds, sticks, and your chosen fresh ingredients. Next, select a variety of fruit juices or purees to achieve natural, vibrant colors and delicious flavors. Always ensure your molds are perfectly clean and ready for filling. This prevents any sticking and ensures a smooth release. Preparing these basics sets the stage for your creative popsicle journey. Now, let's get creative with flavor combinations. Try combining 2 or 3 complementary fruit flavors, like strawberry and kiwi, for a truly unique taste profile. You can also layer different colored juices in the mold, allowing each layer to partially freeze before adding the next, creating a stunning visual effect. Don't forget to add small pieces of fresh fruit or even edible flowers for extra texture and beautiful decoration. This step truly elevates your popsicle design. Mastering layering and freezing techniques is key to beautiful popsicles. Begin by pouring 1/4 of your first liquid into the mold, then freeze it for about 30 minutes until it's firm but not solid. Next, carefully add the subsequent layer, taking care to ensure it doesn't mix with the previous one. Insert your popsicle sticks when the mixture is partially frozen. This provides excellent stability and keeps them perfectly centered. Repeat this process for all your desired layers. To finish, freeze your popsicles for at least 4 hours, or until they are completely solid throughout. When you're ready to enjoy them, simply run warm water over the outside of the molds for a few seconds. This helps them release easily without breaking. Your beautifully designed popsicles are now ready to be savored. Be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade frozen treats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.